Hello traders, FX Pip Collector here. Today is Tuesday, July 9th, and this is my recap of the top videos of the day. And the pound US dollar came in number 3 today, so we're going to do a quick recap on the 1 hour time frame. If you'd like to see my full top down analysis on the pound dollar, make sure you check out the video linked at the end of this video over here. So eventually we did get a decent push down today on the pound, which was kind of expected. I would kind of call this potentially a wave A. I think this right here is corrective action, most likely a wave B. I think we have a 1, 2, 3 of wave C. So I would definitely watch especially the 78, maybe the 61.8, probably more likely the 78 for a possible double bottom, that 3, 4, 5 shape that you see at the end of pretty much every trend. If you do get that shape and you get a nice breaker structure, then that definitely is possibly the end of a correction, and I would definitely take it as a long for the continuation of the uptrend. In the meantime, until you do, or even if you don't get this, I would definitely be looking for shorts at shorter time frames, at least until you get that fib bounce with a breaker structure. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner, and don't forget to check out my website, FX Pip Collector, if you would like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thanks and happy trading.